No, I don't do that. I don't ever want to deal with something like that. It's actually pretty good. Mm. 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 Obviously, I can't do that. obviously. What's up, game weight? I wasn't a part of it, so I hated it. I hated every single bit of it. I wasn't a part of it. But I'm pretty sure that you took that short and now you back friends, but you're bear friends now, huh? Y'all talking now again. Mm. Based on the data, and I'll talk about it. I mean, once like around 9 o'clock, I'll talk about it. But based on the data, we may have some more downside. We may have some more downside this week. So all that hot all-time high talks, I might want to put that away. Y'all may want to put that away. Talking about all-time highs because we may not even get it. Shit, it looks like they're trying to go for them lows again now. I mean, the market's been trending. I mean, I guess it would make sense for it to come back down and retest some of these lower levels. But we'll see what happens. We'll trade it day by day. But obviously, this is a wall. We're not going to see price get above this. Not unless the bulls mean it. This is a wall. That is a wall right there. So we'll see if the Nasdaq holds this. I mean, I got in a little bit too early. I got in at this little drop right here. And then, of course, it popped right back up. So now I'm in a little bit of drawdown. I thought that they would kind of finish it, but we'll see. I do think that I'm good in this short. I may get ticked out, but I'm not going to give this any more room than I have already. I'm not giving it any more room. I'm giving it a lot of room, actually. Yeah, I'm giving it a lot of room. Honestly, I may not even allow my stop to be touched like that. If we do see a pump right here, I'm going to get out. I'm not going to give the market 46 points, but I just didn't want to get ticked out. Mm. I mean, we're going to talk about Friday. So, okay, so this is the mistake that I made Friday. I didn't know Friday was OPEX. I didn't know. I don't know how something like that. I kind of wish these economic calendars did a better job of saying that it was OPEX instead of me going to another data source to see that. I did not know. If I knew that, then I would have traded Friday totally different. And so honestly, that just kind of opens my eyes to the point that I need to make sure that I'm aware of but I'm aware of what's going on. So the next one is going to be March 21st. So I'm gonna make sure that I got that marked out on my calendar. So because I did not know. Yeah, and they don't even yeah, they don't say it or nothing, which kind of sucks. All right, so I'm probably have to close this out. Mm, uh, I'll give it to 84. Probably I need to probably give it to 86. Yeah, I'll give it to 86. That's a 27. That's actually a 30-point stop. Just 3 more points from my 27-point stop, but uh, maybe I should have kept my. I will see. We'll see. We'll see if I made a mistake here. But this is definitely the competition account, so this is not off to a good start. I'm going to be focusing on the competition account this entire week. I'm not going to even trade none of my evals. I secured another payout tonight. I secured a payout with this pump, so I will be requesting that payout after market close today. Just another one in the books. Ugh. I mean, I doubt that we go to 925. I mean, they're trying to show some heat at 925. If we get to 925, that would definitely be an area where the market will short. That's definitely a high area right there. You can tell right there. That's where we got that rejection at. Oh, y'all probably can't even see that. Yeah, we got that rejection around 925. So I mean, there's some heat right there. I kind of expect for them to do that potentially, but I doubt that. I doubt it gets there. Maybe 850 rejection. Price is going to reject somewhere in this area. It's going to reject somewhere in this area right here. No, it's with my funded futures. I mostly trade my funded futures. I don't trade take profit trader. I know a lot of people has been asking about them lately, which I don't know why they became so popular all of a sudden. But I know a lot of people has been asking about take profit trader. My opinion about them is that I don't like the trailing drawdown on the funded side. I don't like that. I don't like it. But I mean, as a counter to that, I mean, you get to take out a payout as soon as you make it. So that's obviously the trade off, obviously. I know that if under those conditions, 9 times out of 10, I'll blow the account based on my trading style. So I'm not saying that they're a bad firm. I'm just saying that they're bad for me. It's not them, it's me. I'll tolerate it with Apex because first and foremost, it's cheap. I mean, it's not that expensive. Take profit trader, that is expensive. Not only is it you got to trade 5 days before you get to a funded account, and then on top of that, it's a trailing drawdown. And if you made a mistake, you had a tilt day, then that shit's gone. You got to start all over. And I don't like any of that. So it's not them, it's me. Well, if I get stopped out on this one, I will be making another attempt to go short. Probably around somewhere in this range right here. Because I doubt that it gets here. We could see a rejection here because I mean we had the false breakout and then they came back in and then they rejected and then they came back right here. Then we saw this leg down. So I mean if they continue to grind up, I'm looking probably at 800. About 795, maybe around like 815ish, 820ish, 820, like yeah, about 800 to 820, somewhere in this range. Because like I said, I doubt that they trade into this and keep going without a rejection of some sort. Yeah. 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 That active. I don't know if they're still doing activation fees. Yeah. So honestly, any prop firm that has an activation fee to me, I no longer even consider them. It's too expensive at this point. I mean, you got too many prop firms right now, changing the game in terms of the accessibility of making money at their firm. And I feel like right now MFF is probably the best one that's doing that right now. No activation fees. The evals are reasonably priced. Is a straight path to be paid out and a straight path for a live account if that's what you want to do. I don't care about none of that shit. I just want to get paid. And I like the fact that the consistency is on the funded side. I mean, this is like the only account that they have where the consistency is on the funded side, but um, when there's no consistency on the funded side, then there's no stopping me from making as much money as possible. So that fits me better. That fits me better. And because of that, I was able to get multiple payouts because all I have to do is I can consistently make $500 to $600, $700 at the most. Consistently, I can do that. And as I consistently make $700 a day, I can just come back the next day, make that same amount, and get paid out. Now, with MFF, the one thing that I've noticed is that if you got to really you really got to make the same amount because every time you take a payout, it's as if you hit daily loss limit if you take out the full 12 a month, $1,200, which it will count against the consistency because it's like you hit daily loss limit when you take out a payout of $1,200. And over time, as you get multiple payouts in one account, like it's still adding up. Like I did the math on my account, and if I didn't stay consistent with the amount that I've been getting from the start, whenever you take that $1,200 payout, that disrupts a lot of things. It raises or what does it does? It increases the amount that you have to make if your P&L is all over the place. If it's all over the place. So just make your $600 a day and close the account out and just get paid out. And then if you get 30 days of 30 days of profitability, then they move you to a live account. I think I have one more payout in this account, and then they're going to move me to a live account. Because right now I have, they actually probably might move me to a live account pretty soon. Yeah, right now I have about 15 days of profitability, so I got probably like two more payouts in this account. Or let me rephrase that. You got to make at least $100. And yeah, so yeah, so Dennis, I'm still talking about MFF, my fund of futures. So let me know if I pronounce this wrong, but Daijin, Daijin. Let me know which one it is. It says you're new to trading and you want to start at $5 and $10. What's some good future stocks you would recommend? Dude, that's not a good budget right there, bro. I'm not gonna be. I'm gonna be completely honest. Or yeah, I guess assumed. $5 to $10 is not good. That's basically the commissions. Unfortunately, when you're in this game, so right now I'm trading futures through a prop firm. I paid $80 for this account, and it gives me about $50,000 of buying power, and I got to make sure that I don't lose more than 1,200 daily. I would recommend trading with the prop firm because you're not trading your money. I mean, as long as you adhere to rules, you can consistently be paid out. But if you don't, well, unfortunately, at least when you lose money, it won't be your money, quote unquote, and it won't be all at once, if that makes sense. But $5 to $10 is not a good amount. Honestly, a good like a small account challenge would probably be like $1,000 at the minimum, and that's still not enough. Because with the small account, you would have to be perfect. And if you're new to trading, uh, there's some things that you're going to have to discover about yourself before you become profitable, unfortunately. You're going to learn about yourself emotionally, mentally, physically, and anybody that tells you differently than what I'm telling you is lying to you. Like I have years of experience. I'm highly profitable, but I still make mistakes. I mean, you're watching a mistake. I'm probably get stopped out of this one, maybe. And I'm highly profitable and I still make mistakes. I still go on tilt sometimes. I'll lose, I'll build up an account. I mean, I've done that on stream where I'll have one more day in the account. The market didn't go my way. I allowed myself to be emotionally hijacked, and I lost $23,000 in a day. 23,000. And you gotta be okay with that. You gotta, because obviously once you, especially if you get on a losing streak, you gotta be strong enough to say that, you know what, I just had a bad day. Mentally strong enough to say that you had a bad day. And that you're gonna come in the next day and you're gonna go back to the basics and back to what got you to the dance. But if you allow what happened yesterday to carry over until today, well, unfortunately, you're just going to be on a losing streak. So, yeah, no problem. I mean, this is what this channel is for, mostly. We're here to learn, we're here to get better, and we're here to make our own money. When I first started getting payouts, I mean, it was so unreal because the reality is that now, I mean, because you got to think about it like this, and then this is how I had to think about it and tell myself how to think about it. For the first time in your life, you made money not clocking into somebody else's clock, but you made money based on a series of decisions. And that first dollar that you made was truly yours. And that fucked up my whole reality. It made that dream of quote unquote freedom, quote unquote, oh, I can do this possible, because it was like, man, I just made my own money. I did that. Me. I did that shit. And every time I get a payout, it just adds to that, because obviously if you've been born in poverty and all you know is poverty, and or all you know, or the people around you, people that you care about, all they know is poverty. They tell you to always get a good job, work for somebody else that's successful. Go get your degree, work hard so you can so you can submit yourself to somebody else, and let them tell you how much you're worth. Let them tell you how much they're willing to pay you from their success. And once I got my first payout, I never been the same after that. All that shit is gone. Like I threw all that I threw that mindset away. I can make my own fucking money. All I got to do is work hard on myself. I don't need to go to school, get no fucking degree. I just need to go to school, these charts, and understand what these charts are telling me. And I can make my own damn money. I mean, shit, the last 2 weeks we was having 10K days consistently. And if you do the math on that shit, we was doing like 80, 100K in 2 weeks, consistently making 10K across all the accounts. Consistently. So that's my mindset now. I ain't going to school for shit. I wouldn't recommend going to school for nothing. Why would I do that? I can make my own damn money. I'm the CEO of my life, of my destiny, of my fate, all that. I can do this shit. But one thing that I'm learning about myself is that I have to kind of accept when I'm wrong. I'm getting better at that. I don't go as tilt as much as I used to. And it's obvious why, because, I don't like being wrong. And that's where going tilt comes from. But just knowing that, okay, I'm wrong, I'm wrong right now. I misread what the market wanted to do. In this situation, kind of why I took this short was because actually, initially, I was up. If I actually took some of my profits, I would have got my first target hit if I didn't move it. But I thought that we were going to come back and kind of come back to where that gap was. That was my initial reaction because of this block of liquidity, this break of structure right here. We had the bulls come up and then fail underneath it. So I went short thinking that the bears were going to continue lower or at least hold it. But, that's just my fault, thinking that the bears are anything other than weak. But at the same time, something that I should have considered is that we did have this massive move down. Actually, this move right here, so that was a 593 point move to the downside here on the Nasdaq from the highs. And we called this high all week. We talked about this level 245 all week. And it was a thing of beauty when it love tapped that level and we got that rejection from here. Love tapped it in our rejection. And this is why this is why I said earlier, why go to school, learn all different kind of subjects that probably has nothing to do with what you want to do. But if you put that same effort into these charts, You can be paid every single day. Every single day. You know how the market is going to move. You recognize these patterns, and you can make your own fucking money. So I was very proud of that call out. I mean, we was having so many good call outs last week. Need to delete this. Trust in the charts. That was another thing that I've been working on too. Just trusting the charts more often instead of trying to tell the market what I wanted to do. That's something else. I don't want to give it too much. I mean, I don't want to get stopped out of this and then it goes in my direction, but I don't want to give it too much. All right. Okay. But again, it's my fault for trusting bears. All right. So let's see. 783.75. 783.75. $783.75. Okay. Yeah, what's up, Alfred? What's up? Yeah, no problem, Dajin. Is it Daijin or Dajin? I think it's, what is it, Daijin? I think it's Daijin. Yeah, I think probably people probably would have thought that you were trolling. And I don't think you're trolling. And honestly, I really don't care, honestly. I mean, if you ask me a question, I'll answer it to the best of my ability. But $5 to $10, that's kind of that's how much you're literally paying in commissions that time. And you're not going to go far with $5 or $10 at all. You need at least 1,000. And if you're trading futures, I mean, honestly, like I said, you really have to know what you're doing. Futures is very dangerous for it to be your first. You need to go over there with stocks and options, not futures. But start selling some options and start buying stocks. Futures should not be your first. You let futures take your virginity, shit, she'll take everything from your ass, especially the Nasdaq. Because shit, there is something worse than losing. There is something worse than being in debt is when you have to owe somebody a lot of money. And you get in at the wrong spot on any instrument with futures and you don't close that position. I mean, they'll liquidate you, but, or at least they should liquidate you, but you don't ever want to be in a situation where you're in a position and overnight the market gaps up or gaps down against you. And they're going to liquidate that account at that point, and you owe them money. You owe your broker money, and that's the situation where you don't want to ever be in. Versus with stocks or options, you're just losing what you're put in. All right, so our boy said, Alfred said that he got out of some gold longs. Yeah, that was a good long, bro. That was definitely a good long. You wait, I mean, shit, especially if you got in at this area of support right here. That was a good damn long. Shit, honestly, well, we'll see. We'll see if because it did tap into this area of support. We all know that gold does not overshoot. We know she doesn't overshoot. You might see a pullback and then you might see a continuation, but we all know gold don't overshoot. But how was your weekend though, Alfred? Oh crap. All right. So let's talk about this. So this week, I have some bad news for the Bears. I got some bad news for you guys. Or not for the Bears, for the Bulls. I got some bad news for you, so brace yourself. Unfortunately, for those that want to be long this week thinking that we could potentially see all-time highs again, unfortunately, the CFTC data does not suggest that we touch all-time highs. It's more likely that we're going to be touching some lows. Let me make sure that y'all guys can see this. Okay. Yeah, Bandit Blitz. Yeah, definitely. They bought them calls for a reason. Let's go over the data real quick. And let's just go over the data because it's bearish. And it has what makes this crazy is that this is the first time. This is literally the first time that the CFTC data has been bearish since last year. So I've collected data since from January 2nd of last year. And you can see that there was only a few times where the market was neck and neck, but it was always mostly bullish than bearish. But not only have the bulls been slowly adding to their short positions, this week we're 46% short. 46% short this week. That is big. Big. Dude, the Bears have not been 46% short. I mean, we've been 46% short. The last time he was 46% short was okay, hold on. Was here. On October 29th. Let's see what happened on October 29th. Let's see what happened. October 29th was the last time. All right, so oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit. Anyway. October 29th. I didn't know I was in this long. Oh, it's a 1 minute chart.
What long?
Shit. I must have left a limit on. I'm so bad at leaving limits on these things when I don't care about them. I left a limit on the trading view comp, and
Yeah.
I'm in long somewhere down 29K. Yo. I'm down 29K, dude. I think I was probably up for like 2 seconds, and then we got that drop because I didn't take profits because I was probably targeting. That's probably what happened. I forgot about it. Okay, so let's see what October 29. But what's up, man?
Oh, nothing. Took unnecessary L's
Damn, what happened,
early
bro?
on. I left some trades on. I left a stop, but then I walked away
Damn.
to go. But yeah, I kind of got. I took the initial short on the first pullback, the first sign,
Mm-hmm.
but then of course we got that push.
I think my short position is good, baby. I think we coming back. I'm thinking we're back, baby. Are you in this long or are you in this short?
I'm in a short.
Oh yeah,
I
okay.
just came back and and put it on. Were you short at?
I'm always short down there at 55, so I need to come back a little bit. I think I'm good.
Yeah, I figured they were gonna do this here at this they're gonna take price right there. I wanted to see how it was gonna react, but that 730 area.
I'll just take the 30K loss. It's all right. I'll take it. It's not like I'm gonna make
Yeah,
$4 million in the next 5 days.
no, they said the dude is up like 8 or 9 million now.
Dude, man, what the fuck? What is he trading?
This dude, you're only allowed to trade certain things. So I'm like, man, y'all gotta be literally staying up 24/7, catching these trades or
Yeah,
something.
like this dude is like up 7 mil. Like, shut up, bro. Shut up. How? No hate, but how? Like shit.
Yeah, with the amount of leverage they give you, exactly how.
Yeah. Dude, they only give you 12
You can
contracts. My bad, go ahead.
yeah, you can only put on so many contracts.
Yeah. Like how the hell? Whatever, bro. Whatever. Somebody's up 7 mils. I ain't hating, but shit, how? Shit.
You kind of sound like you hating a little bit right
I ain't hating, but it should have been me, not.
I ain't hating, but how? It's their bots gain weight, probably.
But yeah,
Let's check the stats.
yeah. Last time we had 46% short. This is what happened. We had a drop from 2080 down to where's the bottom of that candle? 2008. So we had that was an 800 point drop. Yo, that was an 800 point drop the last time we was short 47%. So bears, like Bandit Blitz said, yo, our bulls, y'all better be wary of y'all longs. The data say we short, and you can see that they're slowly decreasing their contracts. They're slowly getting out of longs and getting into shorts. 50, 62, 58, 56, 54. And look at the commercials. They're doing the same thing. The commercials are adding to their longs and decreasing their shorts. Remember, the commercials are inverse, so they actually get their products delivered, so they're hedging. Shorts are long and longs are short. And look how they're increasing their longs, gradually increasing their longs. So that tells me that we got some more room for downside.
Good. Yeah, silver popped back up. Alfred's said gold is moving higher.
Yeah. Yeah,
Silver
gold's
popped.
moving higher. Mm-hmm.
Man, I wish they would have given me the option to trade silver.
Oh, dang. You can't trade it?
Nah, not in this comp. You can only trade you can trade gold.
Mm-hmm.
You see. ES&Q, of course, crude oil, gold, micro Bitcoin, surprisingly. Only 5 contracts max in micro Bitcoin. And then you got MES, M&Q, micro crude, micro gold. Yeah, that's it.
And yeah, Dajin, yeah. Like I said, honestly, I don't care what people do. If you ask a question, I'm just gonna make the assumption that you're asking it in good faith. I don't take the energy to be like, oh, this guy's trolling. I'm not like, I mean, sometimes I watch people's other streams and it's like, when they ask a question, it's like, oh, this guy's trolling, ban him. Why? I mean, shit. I just assume that you're being serious, depending on the question. But yeah, just go ahead. Oh, he asked if what would he recommend if he wanted to start trading with I think $5 or $10 or something like that. And I was like, yeah, no, no. There is nothing that you can trade at that low price, unfortunately, except an Apex account. That's what I should have said. Except an Apex account, You can go far with your $50 with that. But you don't want to become a gambler over there at Apex because that's what they'll turn you into.
Futures. Oh, I think I got the same comment on mine. Yeah. Uh,
Oh, you're back up.
Trade micros. You just gotta have them. You just gotta have the margin to cover
Mm-hmm.
futures. Trade micros. Keep it small. You just gotta meet the margin requirements for your broker, whatever broker you choose to go through. Read up on what their margin is.
Mm-hmm.
Forex. I mean, if you're trying to trade CFDs, I mean, but that's like heroin, so I wouldn't really. Or whatever the worst drug is, that's probably, yeah, you can chalk that up to CFDs and Forex.
Mm-hmm.
Fentanyl. That's what it is. I don't think you want to do that.
Nah,
You
don't do
lose
that
all
to
your
yourself.
money in a second.
Mm-hmm.
Like, yo, what happened?
Where's my money? Where's my money?
That's for real though.
Where's my money? It's all gone. It used to be there, but it's not there no more. But yeah.
Where's my money? Okay. I'm short. Damn.
Yeah, I mean, if the Bulls come in right here, then yeah, I'm done. This position's done. This short position's done. That means that it wants to go higher if they come in right here. We kind of need the Bulls to fail here at this level. They need to fail. Because if they find support here, then yeah, we're probably going up to like 820, 800, 820. So how you doing so far in that comp
Yeah.
account?
I was doing I started off doing all right. I was a little late
Mm-hmm.
because I had to figure out how to enter into it, like how to load the not load the charts, but how to log into it. I was like, wait. So I just went back to the freaking website or whatever. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I started off all right. And so but that me trying to figure all of that out made me miss the pump at the open. Um, and yeah, now I'm gotta play catch up.
Yeah. Yeah,
I
well,
still
some
got
dudes up
Brianna's account though.
just in case, huh? uh,
Untouched.
a Daijin, like I said, only for $5 or $10. There's really no stock that you really could trade, honestly. You can find a good penny stock, but those are hard to find. Like I said, you would need at least $1,000 in your account to start trading if you want to make decent money. 500 to 1,000.
Yeah. Are we talking options or futures? Or stocks or
Stocks, options, because you ain't getting nowhere with no futures. I mean, with yeah, with $10, nah, not with futures. You can't even buy a micro contract with that.
yeah. Yeah, ES micros, you needed $50, but
Mm-hmm.
technically you need more than that because they won't let you put on a trade if it's exactly 50
Yeah, because you have to
because
cover my.
you know, yeah, exactly. Exactly. I mean, but you could create your account, slowly deposit. You don't got to deposit all at once.
Yeah.
Slowly deposit it, let it build up over time, and then start trading it.
Like I said, I would. I mean, as long as these prop firms exist, I ain't catching me trading my own money. Shit, why would I? I mean, it just does not make sense for me to trade my money. I'm not going to take the money out. Um, I'm just going to keep getting these payouts. I mean, if I put $1,500 into an account, I mean, that's about like 10 evals right there. Like 10 evals. Can't do that. That don't even make no sense. And I only got $1,500 of buying power. So shit, I can probably buy maybe one mini at the most. Maybe. Yeah, I'll probably buy one mini. Yeah. I mean, okay, so I'm kind of debating about this short. I don't like the fact that they're finding support around 760. I don't like that because they need to break that. But I don't want to flip long. But that may be the move.
Yeah,
Yep.
let me look at ES real quick.
Yeah, Alfred, I definitely agree. Like I said, I do my homework over the weekend. I collect data on the Nasdaq. Like I be stalking her, man. I know everything about her. I know where she live at. I know how much she moves. I know what her favorite dress is, et cetera, et cetera. And when someone tells you that you can't make money with the Nasdaq or one micro, you just stop listening to them. Look at how she moves. Look at how she moves. In one direction, she moved 284 points. On Friday, she made a 593 point move to the downside. Before this move, she made a 141 point move to the upside. She moves. And one day, she made a 284 point move to the downside, a 156 point move to the upside, a 132 point move to the downside, and she ended the day with a 175 point bounce to the upside. All that movement, you can make money with the NASDAQ. It's just the ES that shit, you ain't making money like that because the ES, 10 points is a real move for real. So you need to break a structure to get like more than 10. You need a continuation. You need the market to be trending or whatever to make a decent move on the ES. But the NASDAQ, she don't need none of that shit. She just moves. I love it. She just moves. Yeah, Rubkit, I definitely agree, man. I definitely agree. So yeah, this short is definitely high risk, but the reward.
You think they're gonna?
You said what?
You think they're gonna come for that liquidity?
I
Sitting at
don't think so.
790 again?
I don't think so, dude. I don't think so. I
Yeah,
don't
that could
think
be a
so.
trap. That could be a trap to get people to go long, and then
Mm-hmm.
we flush their stops, and then they wants the orders disappear from up there.
Yeah.
Gain weight takes his orders off from up there.
Yeah. Gain weight. Gain weight told me to stay out of. He said what?
You see his comment in the book map chat. He's like, what do you say? He's like, y'all better short with me or lose your accounts.
Gainway told me
That
to
was
stay
funny.
out the thing with book map chat on Friday because he says that's how he makes his money. Stop telling
Dang,
people.
using all of them.
He says, stop telling people how to trade. He says Fridays are mine. I was like, all right.
Thank you for your liquidity. My position thanks you.
My position thanks you. That's so funny. So yeah, Rudkit, man. As long as the if the Bears can break this level and hold, man. If they can break it and hold, then we good on the shorts. There's no going up for that liquidity unless they find liquidity down here. Because I mean, we could see another bounce right here, and depending on if we do see a bounce and it comes right back to this level, and the bulls break through, then yeah, all the stops right here will definitely be used as fuel to push back up into that range. And this is probably where we'll see the rejection. But if this is real and we do see a break and we see a break at this level, then we all know the Nasdaq don't fill that gap the first time. We know that shit. So we know the first one is a trap. They'll probably do this and then we'll get that move down. You know that first attempt is a trap. We know that shit by now. Or at least you should know it.
Got yours at 689. Yeah. 689.
Yeah, I got my first target there. I should probably put this at like 90 or something. I probably should, because you know the Nasdaq ain't gonna do that shit the first time. You gotta front run that gap as much as possible.
Well, I know where I want to go, or I want to see price go.
Where's that?
I want to see us break this Friday's low, and then I'm aiming for.
Well, technically, we already broke Friday's low. Technically, I mean, unless you want to count this candle right here. When is this the opening candle right here?
Nah, that's Friday.
Is that okay? Yeah, I apologize. That is Friday's candle.
Yeah, that's Friday.
That's Friday's candle.
Yeah,
I apologize.
They gapped up, and then they attempted. Well, they kind of attempted to try to fill the gap initially, but we got wicked up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I was sitting there like, damn it, I'm missing along. How do I get in this stupid account?
Yeah, that's why I looked at that shit before. I did all my research on Saturday. I was already ready.
Okay, so where you at in it? Where's your? Let me see. What place are you in? I went from 43 to 226 because I took the stupid L.
I'm not in nothing. I mean, I'm in the account, so I mean, I'm down.
You haven't traded it yet, or is that it?
No, this is it right here.
Okay.
I haven't
So you might be
logged
higher
in.
than me.
No, I haven't logged in nothing. Because I'll be damned if I use that pump. No, I got in my my funded account and logged in the payout first, and then I got into this account.
Mm. What's your name on here? Is it Nasdaq Anonymous?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see gain weights.
Gain weight, what are you doing?
Hey, you ain't tell nobody you was getting in the entering the competition.
Yeah, so apparently he didn't know either. We talked about it on Friday. I was like, dude, like they wasn't really telling nobody about this shit. No, I gain weight. No, gain weight. Gain weight. No.
Nah. That's crazy. I just scrolled down and saw his name and his avatar. He in 26th place right now. Yeah, they was. You know how I found it? Off of an ad on Instagram. They was not. You know, their marketing team was horrible with it.
Mm-hmm.
I was watching some trading memes, some shorts on IG, and I just came across an ad. I'm like, is this real? No way. This might be cap. Nope. It's legit. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, and I looked. I'm like, dang, it already filled up with 1,000 people. So apparently.
Oh, so it's only like 1,000 people can join?
Yeah, it's only 1,000. It's all maxed out.
Damn.
So I'm like, how would you know? If we ain't say nothing, if I ain't tell you and you ain't tell your stream, like how would we have known?
Yeah, I guess it was like, yeah. Well, I mean, we got some people that's up 7K, 12K right now, 14K. Oh god damn! Look at
I
that.
see 17 at the high.
God,
oh, he's at 20
or 17K. I mean,
yeah, mine shows 17. I was up 2K. Damn it. Oh, what?
Well,
Get
you know
back
how that
to this.
shit go. You know how that shit go. We gotta be up all night.
I ain't being up all night. I got. Damn, I might take this off here. This is crazy. That was your move. That was your chance to drop.
Ah, shit.
Ah, damn it.
Ah, damn.
Yeah,
Well,
I'm
I
gonna
mean,
lock
I'll
that
get
in.
the money back, but man, that's not gonna be fun. It's not gonna be fun at all, man.
Damn. All right. Gotta freaking. What we doing right now? 21:35. Yeah, I gotta get up in the morning. I might. Yeah, I might come back and trade this thing at around London or so, or
Mm.
maybe a couple hours after London.
Yeah, I mean, I'm probably just gonna have to take this L if, because I mean, it's kind of, it doesn't. I don't think it's probably ready for it to break down. I'm guessing that it's gonna probably try to. Yeah.
I think 840, man, but I don't know. We gotta run these highs right here. If it does, trying to.
I
I
don't want
don't
to go
know if I want to.
long.
I don't either. I don't either, but because I
I
already
guess I
got
should have just waited. Man, go ahead.
yeah, I already got caught up going long, and then that straight dropped when I was already in short.
Mhm.
But uh, I could see a breakdown at 842, 860, somewhere around there.
So Dennis asks, he's thinking about funding 5 micros in his personal account to trade the NQ. Trade the micro NQ, dude. Like I said, I mean, I
Micro
really
and Q could get you caught up too, though. Seriously,
it can.
if you try to trade, I don't know. I do maybe micro ES.
Dude, if you're trading a personal account and it's small, I would highly recommend just trading the ES first. If you can't trade the ES, you can't trade the Nasdaq. The reason why I say that is because the ES is bound by technical rules. It makes you wait, and that's kind of why I hate trading it on the funded side because if I want to catch a 700, 900 point, or 900, because what $900 is an 18-point move on one contract. To get 18 points, you got to wait for a break of structure, and you got to catch the bottom and damn near the top to catch that. The Nasdaq, all you need is 36 points on one mini contract to get $720. That's how quick it is. The Nasdaq does trade structurally, but it's hitting them in all the back and forth. It's hitting in it, and if you can't see the structure, you'll become liquidity real quick, just like Gainway says. Become liquidity. So that's why I always say, why trade a personal account? Excuse me, trade these prop firms. You you don't. I mean, if you're putting $1,000 into it, that's like 5 accounts, 5, 10 accounts, man. Don't put yourself in that situation. Because what, especially if they have what Smith ran into, to prevent fraud, you have to wait 10 days to withdraw your funds. Bullshit. Shit,
Yeah.
Smith.
I mean, that's just with Ninja Trader. I don't know if that's with any other broker. Yeah, they came at me with that BS.
Mm-hmm.
I've been with y'all how long? I withdrew 18K and they were like, "Hey, are you sure you want to do that?" I'm like, "What you mean? Are you sure? It's my money."
Hey, you sure you want to take this out? You sure you don't want to?
They literally said that. I was like, "Huh? What you mean am I sure? I put in the withdrawal request, didn't I?"
Hey, I mean, your money's safe with us, man. Hey.
Right? Your money's safe with us. I'm like, "Yeah, man. I want to, man. Give me my money." I said, "I want all that."
Well,
It's like,
unfortunately,
okay.
we need to make sure it's you. So we need 10 days to figure that out.
This was before that though, but I just thought it was funny that they asked me, "Am I sure?" I was like, "What you mean, am I sure?" Yes.
Okay. All right. I'm just gonna have to
Yeah, I
accept.
flipped long.
Did you?
Rut Kid mentioned, yeah, that they moved the liquidity from the
Mm.
790 area. I was like, okay, yeah, that's
Uh,
yeah,
all right. All right. I mean, if I see a push, I'll just take a small loss here. I can always get the money back in the morning. I'm trying not to take the full loss here because that's a lot. I'm kind of already at that threshold already. But you know what? All right. So like I said, I'm not gonna take the full loss here.
yeah, don't do that.
And probably like put it at like 90 or man. Yeah, I'll put it right there, dude. Damn, I might as well. I'm just gonna put my stop at 72.82. That's where I'm gonna put my stop. And if the Nasdaq stops me out, then I'm just gonna go to bed. 72, or actually, I'm gonna put my stop at 72, 780. There you go. 780 is where I'm gonna put my stop. And then after that, I'm gonna just admit defeat and I'm gonna go to bed. Damn it, no, AQ, please don't stop me out. Oh damn, I've been stopped out. Well, I guess I'll just come back tomorrow. I'll come back tomorrow. I'm coming back tomorrow.
Bro.
No.
You might be good just to come back. Can't wait, sneaking in the comp.
Yeah, baby, please. Baby, please. No, baby, please. Which number did I say before? Put that like, all right,
Oh
that's how I'm
no.
gonna give it. That's how I'm gonna give it. That's how I'm gonna give it. That's it. I'll get the money
Got
back though.
41 at 800, 104 at 850, 202 at 900, 152 stacked up there. Nothing down below, really. Ugh. It's a
Yeah.
trap, ain't it?
Yeah, highly likely that it is. But I mean, if I get stopped out, I'm gonna put some limits up here because I don't think this goes to 840. They got heat up there at 925. Dude, I mean, it could, like I said, it could, but it's highly unlikely, especially above 840, like Smith said. That's highly unlikely without a rejection. Highly unlikely. This shit ain't going straight up there. You know, honestly, now that I look at this thing, I mean, it doesn't look that way. Yeah, I should have just, that's my bad. I should have, yeah, that's my bad. That's my bad. Because I mean, we had this big drop. We have a two-legged pullback into support. I mean, they ranged, they broke out, they came back. I mean, they cut. Mm, mm.
And if I took that profit down there, took the long up here, well, I'm only down 700 now, 750. Kind of, actually, I want to let this thing. Nah, bro, they
And
gonna
they
they
talk
gonna
about he's
do it. I
short.
think
He said what?
I was short. I flipped once I saw that liquidity get taken off from the 792 area. That is a sign, tall tale sign. But if ES rejects right here, it could be a trap. Have to see if ES gonna push its high.
Yeah, I'm looking at ES right now too. I mean, it could, but I guess we'll see. Well, everybody else up 2K now. I'm down 2K. Hmm.
I mean, shoot, I'm in 209th place. Like I said, I wasn't 43rd when I was up 2K.
Okay.
And I don't see, I'm looking for gain weight on here. Okay. Gain weight's at 70. Um,
I mean, at this point, Red Kid, that's exactly how we should interpret that. And that's exactly how we should interpret it. Uh, man.
everybody is red.
Hmm. I mean, I could just get out and re-enter. But I should have known better than that, honestly. I should have known better than that. I should have known better than that. Nah, this shit has hit my stop. I can't just close this shit. It's got to hit my stop.
And close. You can close it. Just close it.
Nah, you got to hit my stop. You know what that means? We got to be up all night to get that money back.
That's crazy. You going full port? I'm in full port.
You know we got a full port.
I'm in full port. We only get 5 contracts, so whatever. Why not? They need to do these more often, though.
Yeah, I think so too, man. I think so.
And get better advertising, because I don't know how 1,000 people found it, to be honest.
I'm just glad that we was able to get in before 1,000 people did get into it, honestly.
Yeah. I think when I registered, I was like number 420 something.
Mm-hmm.
And then by the time Brianna registered, she was like 450 or something.
I think we got like $25,000 in drawdown. I mean, at least that's how much margin they give us. I don't know if they allow us. I mean, why wouldn't they let us use the full 25,000? I don't think there's a daily loss limit on this.
Yeah, no, I don't think so either. So, yeah, I'm at 20% of my day margin. 500% of my initial margin.
Shit, I don't know how much I'm using right now of mine. I mean, this shit needs a drop. Damn. Man, I would hate to get me. You know what, man? Fuck it, man. Fuck it. I don't want to get ticked out of this. Dude, I think we dropped, man. I think this is just a trap for bulls, for aggressive bulls. I just made the mistake of thinking that this was the actual short right here. But I got to stop fighting these charts. I keep telling myself to stop doing that shit. I got to stop fighting these charts, man.
Damn, should I take this off now too? At least secure something? They failed, or it appears that they are failing right
Yeah,
now.
it does. Because ES right now is it don't look like ES is about to drop or about to pump. I mean, we still in that same area of this little swing high right here. I mean, we have the bulls failing to close above it and it crashed down. And this is their second attempt to get above this level and find support. If we get it below that 760 level, well, then we good. We good. But we gotta get underneath that level. You think so? Yeah. I think it drops here as long as we don't see a nasty, unnecessary green candle. Because the only thing I'm fearful or concerned about is that we did have a 593 point drop. It did crash through support like it was nothing. Like the bulls finally got to feel what the bear has been feeling for an entire year.
Yeah, yeah. But I don't know. These hourly candles look.
Bullish.
I think so. If they can get up past 800, yeah, I would think so. But I don't know. I've seen
Oh
higher
yeah.
candles all of a sudden flip too. So
I mean, I get why you okay, so I can see why you would say this is bullish for sure. But you got one, two, three, four, five bearish engulfing candles, and it's gonna be tough. That's gonna be tough to trade through. Yeah, that's gonna be tough. And then you gotta, yeah, that's tough. You got three, yeah, yeah, you got, yeah. I mean, like I said, if we could see a pop to like 800, 815. We could see that pop. Not saying that we can, but I just don't see it getting above 840 without a rejection of some sort because of this big move down from that level.
shoot, 840 is where I want to go.
Shit, man, yeah, it probably wouldn't get there. You got too much resistance in the way. I mean, you got this range, like I said, at 800, 815, 820-ish. The Bears, the Bulls would have to like really plow through that and then turn around. Well, I mean, I guess we could get a stop run close to 40. We could, but I doubt it. But I mean, with the Bulls, yeah, I guess they could, but then they would have to find support right here. And if they find support here, then okay, we can see 880. Oh shit, remember 880 was that level. 880 was that other level that the market had to break. And then we got that big drop from 880. I remember that because that's where I went wrong. That's why I remember it. Because I went long and the market was like, gotcha, bitch. Gotcha. Gotcha. We got him. He thought he was going to go for another long. Because the market, like, dude, I was like, man, I want to go short, but everybody was acting like we was trying to get the 22K. And I fell for it. They broke 88 so damn fast, show. They broke that shit real fast with the quickness. It's like, not today. Not today.
You got them.
We got him. And that shit hurt my feelings too. So it had to been this day. It was a Friday or something like that. Sometime in January, it was a Friday. Fuck my whole day up. I went into the weekend super red, thinking about how I was going to get my revenge when the market reopened on Sunday. And that shit hurt my feelings.
Just think about it over the weekend. Crazy. Right. I hate starting out in a negative. Especially when I was up.
Yeah, it kind of means like, yeah, so I can't go to sleep on that. Yeah, try not to stay up all night. I took me a nice little nap, so I'm gonna probably be up until like 1:00 too.
Man, I took a nap too before the market opened.
Oh, did you?
I should have got up when I saw I had like 30 minutes to open. I should have got up to figure it out how to actually get in there. That was my downfall because I could have caught that long. I was like, no, I'm missing it. Missing along.
Hey, what's up, Steven? This is a comp account through NinjaTrader 8. They're doing a competition right now. It's already been closed. This competition's going through today until Friday. It ends Friday.
Yeah, I really do think that they should do more of these. Yeah, let it last a week. I mean, the prize pool is not. It's not like it's. I don't think it'd be expensive for them.
Yeah, what's up, Market Edge? What's up?
They do really need better advertising, though. Really need to step their ad game up.
And kind of want to kick myself in. I mean, now that I'm looking at that was kind of like an obvious long. That was an obvious long. Man, okay, so I mean, it ain't dropped. Man, fine.
I flip, baby. I'm up, and I took it long in the Trading View comp account.
Man, bump that Trading View comp account, man.
I know it's kind of pointless right now, but it is what it is. I'm traded anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah.
7. So.
Yeah, I'm gonna still trade it, but. All right, so I'm down 2K. I'll get that money back. I'm not tripping on it. I would just hate the fact. I'll just because I think, I mean, if they push, I mean, this thing's going, and I feel like it'll kind of be too late to get into this long. Would it be too late to get? Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do, man. This is what I'll do. We need to make some of that money back.
Damn. This dude ain't playing around. Eber Hazel Arenas Avila is in first place right now.
How much he got?
Probably butchered his name. 20K.
The fuck is he doing? What is he trading? The fuck is he trading? Yo, okay. Somebody say, oh, yo, I think sometimes what the fuck is he trading? The market didn't even move like that to be making 20K on 5 mini contracts. The fuck he traded?
I think he longed the open. That's what I think. A lot of these people in the top 5, at least, I think they longed the open, which was, I don't know, because we could have easily gapped down as well. But that's what I was debating on before the market. I was like, man, I don't know if I should just take a long of faith.
Oh, I should have got it. Okay, I gotta do it, man. I gotta do it. At least into that range. At least into it. It would have just stopped me out and I would have been crying. All right, it's a good thing I took the loss a little bit earlier. Man, we gotta do it. We gotta get some of this money back. And then watch this thing flip short, man.
Dang, I'm just now back at
Yeah.
break even.
Nah, I'm not gonna do it that way. I'm gonna just wait for the short. I'm not playing it that way. I just wait for
Down
the short.
$6.
I'll just wait for the short. I'm just gonna set limits in this account. That's how I'm gonna play it. I'm just gonna set limits. I'm gonna set limits overnight.
Yeah.
Ah, man.
I'm back positive again. That's wow. All right. Yeah, mistakes were made here. Thought the first wave would be the short. It's never on the first wave.
Mm-hmm.
Never. Usually on the second or third if that happens, but never on the first.
Yo, if this shit drop, well, I mean, I would have got stopped out anyway. So, yeah, like I said, it's my fault. It's my fault. I shouldn't have. I shouldn't have shorted where I should. Well, like I said, man, it made sense in the beginning. It made sense. I mean, you got that break there. That was obviously the fake out, but I wasn't in front of my desk when they bounced it right here. And then them finding support right there was obviously the giveaway. I was just being hopeful that it would give me break even at least. It's interesting how your mind sees what the fuck it wants to see. It just sees what it wants to see. It just sees what it wants to see. It can go there. It can do it. But yo, we can swing. Yo, I think we can swing in these, right? Or do we gotta close them at a certain time? Actually, let me read this thing. I think we can
I don't
swing.
know.
I'm swinging. I'm gonna
Can we?
try it, man. I'm trying it. I'm gonna try it. What are they gonna do? Close my comp count? What are they gonna do? Close it out? What are they gonna
Can we
do?
swing it? I didn't know.
I'm swinging.
I didn't read the stuff, so I only looked for certain things. What product can we trade? What's the prize money?
Mm.
You know. 21. Can you do something for me? Here we go. I need to change these candle. It's
'Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised.
This might be too bright. Yeah, blue is too freaking bright.
I'm trying to be sharp on these charts.
Oh, that's better. That's better. It's the 5 minute. I gotta do the same thing for this chart. I could save it as a template on it.
Yep, that's probably the best option for our boy. That's probably the best option.
Jack, you short in here?
Yeah, let it finish this rotation first before. It's not done yet. It's definitely not done yet.
Man, this don't even have all. What happened to my stuff? Pulling stacking. I don't see that.
Shit. Honest, damn, who was I talking to about that? I was like, dude, how do y'all chart on trading on Tradeovate? Does the drawing stay persistent on Tradeovate?
What you mean?
Does it stay persistent? Like,
Well, on my desktop version, I got everything saved to my liking, but this one, no, I had to redo everything. Like they still got Bollinger bands on this thing.
oh really?
Yeah. And I'm like, huh, that's what you chose? Bollinger bands, huh?
Maybe I'll have a chart specifically for that because I know a lot of, or see, there we go. Gold don't overshoot without a pullback. And look at what gold did. We got that pullback. So we'll see if the bull's going to come in and buy. I mean, yeah, gold is pretty straightforward to trade once you understand how she moves. You don't overshoot. She'll sweep liquidity for sure, but she don't overshoot. And we got to pull back into the area of support. So we'll see if the bulls get a continuation here. We probably should get a continuation, to be completely honest. Should. I don't see the bulls just giving this damn thing up like that. Yeah, then you got that area of previous resistance at around R4, which is actually probably a good short on gold. Yeah, that's probably a good short right there on gold. Unless they're in okay, so depending on if they're in this gold long, then okay, yeah. On 5 contracts, yeah. I wouldn't know if that was 20K, but that's a lot. I mean, they caught the short and the drop, or the drop in the pop on gold on 5 contracts. That's a lot.
You think they're trading gold? Did gold?
Yeah, you can make
How
a
did it
lot of money
open?
on gold. Actually, let's see how much money would it made if you caught the bottom. You said what?
How did it open? It shorted at open, right?
Yeah, it's
Or
shorted. Well, we got a pop and then a drop and then another pop. Because I mean, you could be up with you could be up trading Nasdaq, but gold is probably. I don't like that. That's all of it is connected.
really about to defend this? Ah, damn it! No, you're gonna defend this? $6.25. But 806.
That's interesting. That's interesting.
Don't make me close you.
Dude, no
Don't make
way.
me close. No. Don't make me close you. No.
Yo, if this thing drops,
I know.
But no, no,
I
no, no,
know.
no. No.
I think that's the fake out before
Yeah.
the 800 break.
Yeah.
I
It's
think.
more likely to fake out. It's more likely to fake out.
But I don't know.
Cause dude, it makes sense for it to drop here. I mean, we are at that psychological level right there at 800. We did drop, but the structure ain't ready to drop though. I'll try for another short if, like I said, if they break 760 and hold it. But if they ain't breaking 760 and holding, I ain't shorting shit. I ain't shorting nothing.
Well, I'll leave this on once again, see how I do.
From actor to killer. So apparently, what is this? A show called The Shield? I'm starting to see a lot. I'm starting to see a lot of that. Unfortunately, starting to see a lot of that.
Hmm.
That's why men should always keep a purpose. Once you start focusing on, as crazy as this sounds, once you start focusing on your woman, unfortunately, the relationship usually tends to go downhill from there. Usually, from what I've observed, women love men with purpose. They don't want you focusing on them. Don't let Disney Channel fool you. They want to see you working on something. You don't have to get there, but they want to see you working on something. The moment you start saying, "Oh, baby, you're the apple of my eye. You're the one that I want to. My happiness is your happiness." Don't be surprised about the outcome. Do not be surprised. And unfortunately, when that happens, usually that's when, like I said, the relationship goes downhill from there.
Oh, there it is. I didn't see that earlier.
What's that,
I need my fibs, man. They was hiding it from me.
dude? How you put on a trade without it? Crazy, blasphemous.
Blasphemy.
Dude, we talked about this last week. I don't like, dude, I watch other people's streams. It's like, dude, where's your fibs? Where your ranges at? Where your levels? Like, why are you just getting it?
Where's your fibs? Where's your ranges? Where's your levels?
How are you trading like that? Psycho? Like,
Psycho. Another one that I like, but I don't know where it is though. Is it this one? Improved.
Yeah, so if you're long with gold right now, yeah, you're up 1,500 from bottom to top on full port. You're up 15,000, my bad, 15,000 on gold. This shit gonna, honestly, I might actually start putting some gold positions on, man. That's probably what I'll do and let this thing run. I should. She ran into a step. Big dog savage. I'm a zone.
Try this one.
Mm.
No, I don't like this one. Nope. Sorry, you gotta go already. Like, what is this? Thought it had tops and bottoms. Nope.
Hmm. Well, technically, I guess this is trending. Technically, this is trending. Mm, but technically, so I'm going to. Damn. I mean, the question is, does it have? I mean, okay. So based on this angle, it doesn't. This is not a good angle for a long. This is not a good long angle, but it is too steep. Like the slope ain't good for a short neither. Because ideally, what we want is because technically, if price is still within that support trend line, then the bulls they got it until the bears break it and then come back and then short it at on the other side of the trend line. But I'm gonna leave my limits where they at. I'm gonna leave them where they at.
Where they at? Oh, short 806.
Yeah, I probably should. Because
That's a good spot.
Nasdaq, she sucks. The full Nasdaq sucks in terms of she'll miss a level by like literally like a tick or something like that. Hmm. Yeah. I'm like I said, I'll just get the money back tomorrow. I mean, if I make a mistake here, I just get the money back tomorrow. You just gotta do a whole lot of trading. That's it. And shit, but just me focusing on one account, we can definitely do that. We don't have to close accounts. We don't have to worry about consistency. We don't gotta worry about none of that. And then I could swing this account too. Or
Oh, is that what they said?
dude, I'm swinging. Shit, they gonna have to close my account. I'm swinging. They ain't tell me that I couldn't. Or at least, I mean, maybe they did, but I'm just gonna ignore that. What are you gonna do? Close my account? What are you gonna do? Close it?
All right, yes. You ready to take this seriously now? So you can take NQ with you? ES is close to R3. Then got the pivot at 65.
Yeah, I mean, dude, I
NQ.
highly doubt that we see the ES go up any further. I highly doubt that. I just think that, well, I'm not saying any further in terms of it can't go no further, but I don't think that we see like a move. Because I mean, technically, we did see a pullback, but the only thing that's just making me like second guess this is like, yeah, but the Nasdaq will do it, but not the ES. I mean, she's bound by technical analysis. She's bound by price action.
Mhm.
I mean, she already had a stop run above 653. They came back. I mean, they're at a double top right now, technically, and that's double tops. I mean, you don't see no continuation past no double top unless the market starts trending. But as long as she pulls back, then she'll take out a high. But if she doesn't just go straight up past the high without a pullback. And she doesn't trade through no range neither. So, and we'll see. Yeah, I'm going to bed around like 10:30 though. 10:30. Well, we'll see. Cause I'll probably stay up until like 11 o'clock to be completely honest, and then go to sleep. What time you going to bed?
Time is it? Oh shoot! Yeah, I'm about to. Whoa!
It's like,
What
yeah,
did I just do?
trading the Nasdaq, you'll be up.
Oh, yeah. Let me add VWAP real quick. So they got it in the community indicators since they don't have it. Forgot who has it though. Is it this one? VWAP bands, and then you just turn the bands off. Yeah, I think it's this one. Install that real quick. Tools. Where's that at though?
My brother wants me to go see that new Captain America movie. I'm like, I'm good. I ain't trying to watch that shit.
So I'm good. Uh, I told you already, I'm a pirate, so I don't go see movies anymore. I could watch it now, but I'm waiting for a clearer copy. So I'm waiting for the HD copy to drop. So yeah, I got the plug on all things streaming. I'm tired of. I got rid of Netflix, got rid of Hulu, all these damn subscriptions.
Hmm.
Yeah, official pirate. Where the heck is that thing at? Volume base, oscillators. Oh,
Yeah, my brother want me like, dude, I don't even like. I mean, I'm not a Captain America. I don't care who's Captain America. I'm not gonna watch that shit. I didn't like the first one. Don't even like Captain America as a character. Yeah, the one thing that I can't. So it's hard. Like with Marvel, is like, so is Thor one of the strongest characters in their universe or not? Because it seems like either he's winning or he's getting his ass whooped. I mean, it just seems like it's either or with Thor.
I don't know. I stopped watching after whatever it was. Was it
Endgame.
Infinity War Endgame? Yeah.
Yeah. Leave it to Disney to destroy a franchise that was literally every time a movie dropped, they're making over $1 billion. Of course, I mean, of course they mess it up with all their. Anyway, you can't even go watch a movie without being preached to nowadays about how wrong you think.
Go
Yeah.
ahead and go watch the new Captain America then. Oh, Nom Tools. Was this here before? I probably need to go to bed. Yeah, give me that VWAP. All right. Save. Ugh, I don't like that yellow. It's like mustard yellow. Mustard.
Yo, this shit drop. No, this ain't. No, it's not dropping. I mean, at this point, we should know. We know what a drop looks like, and this ain't it. You know what a drop looks like.
17.
Got my foot up on the gas, but somebody gotta do it.
All right. All right. We'll delete that. Add it to this one. Indicators, Nom Tools, VWAP bands. Mustard.
All right. So I mean, what do we like? What am I missing here? 795. I mean, do we see a pop up? Because obviously we don't see a move. I mean, I guess we could see the move down, but it would just hurt my feelings if it does.
Oh, shit, I forgot to add one.
Yeah, I just like I said, I mean, I'll leave that limit up there, but I think I'm just going to just wait until we get more movement in the market. Oof. I doubt 840 though. And I doubt that. I mean, it's not gonna just run through this range like that. It's not gonna run through this range.
Hold on, Trader Prodigy. I gotta take these levels off. You said you doubting 840. Why are you doubting 840? Just let it happen.
Pause. Diddy.
No Diddy, just let it happen.
It sounds like Smith been at the latest damn Diddy party. Just let it happen. What's wrong with the little love? Just let it happen. What's wrong with the little love? Just let it happen.
Yeah, you want that there. Take that, take that. All right, I'm gonna leave this on. Actually, I'm gonna put stop above. Yeah, I'm about to put stop right there. Stops me out. That sucks, but I'm about to go to sleep because I gotta get up. But yeah, we got VWAP right here. 758.
Okay, so I'll do this then. I'll do that. I mean, if I'm wrong, you stopped out, then I kind of still want to be in this shit. So I'll just put like a limit right here.
Yeah, actually, I'm gonna. I don't know if I miss a move, then I'm gonna be punching the air. Yeah, I'm a. I don't think this is dropping just yet, though.
Nah, because it would have dropped already. It would have dropped already. I mean, when you see price floating in the midair, that's kind of a sign that okay, there's just not enough buyers, but at the same time, there's not enough sellers. And then if they really wanted to drop this thing, it would have just dropped.
All right, I'll leave it like this then, because I'm gonna be mad if I get out and then it does pump. But then I'll be mad if it drops and hits my stop. I'm mad either way. I guess I'd give myself a little bit more profit. $200. Give myself 200. I might as well just take this here, take this off, and come back. Fine, I'll take it off. I'll be back. I'll be back. I don't know. We'll see if I wake up for London. But I
Yeah.
will be back.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'll end my stream too, man. I'll get in the bed and think about what I did today and how I'm going to get this money back tomorrow.
All right.
Okay.
All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all joining. Appreciate y'all joining. Yeah. But I'm gonna be. It'll either be between either London or maybe 4 or 5 because I'm sure. Yeah, I'll be up anyway. So see what the market does, how it looks then.
Okay. And
Yeah, for me.
yeah, I'm gonna get up too. And just remember that yeah, we're 46% short, 54% long this week. So just be mindful of that. So with that said, have a good night, everybody, and we'll definitely come back tomorrow morning and we'll earn some more money. With that said, peace out, everybody.
All right. Peace.